Common mistakes in gas metal arc welding, GMAW, also known as MIG welding, and how to avoid each one. This is essential knowledge whether you're a beginner or refreshing your technique. Let's dive in. 1. Poor surface preparation. Mistake: welding on rusty, painted, oily, or dirty surfaces. Problems it causes: porosity in the weld, tiny holes, weak joints, inconsistent arc. How to avoid it: always clean the metal surface with a wire brush or grinder before welding. Make sure the area is free of oil, rust, and paint. 2. Incorrect shielding gas flow. Mistake: setting gas flow too high or too low, or welding in a windy area. Problems it causes: porous welds, contamination from oxygen or moisture, increased spatter. How to avoid it: set your gas flow rate between 20 to 25 cfh cubic feet/hour for indoor welding. Avoid welding outdoors or use a windshield to protect the gas coverage. 3. Wrong polarity setting. Mistake: using the wrong polarity for the wire type. Problems it causes: poor arc stability, excess spatter, weak or irregular welds. How to avoid it: for solid MIG wire, e.g., ER70S6, use DCP, direct current electrode positive. Only use DSCN for specific flux core wires, check the spool label. 4. Improper wire stickout. Mistake: holding the tip too far or too close to the weld puddle. Problems it causes: overheating the wire tip, unstable arc, poor penetration. How to avoid it: maintain 6 to 12 mm, a quarter to 1/2 inch stickout. Keep your hand steady and move consistently. 5. Wrong travel speed. Mistake: moving the torch too fast or too slow. Problems it causes: fast equals cold weld, undercut, lack of fusion. Slow equals excessive buildup, burn through. How to avoid it: watch the weld pool, it should stay consistent and just trail behind the arc. Listen for a steady sizzle sound, not popping or hissing. By understanding these common pitfalls and knowing how to prevent them, you'll not only improve your weld quality but also increase safety, reduce downtime, and extend the life of your equipment. Keep learning, stay safe, and let every weld be better than your last. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on arc welding machines, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.